guys, audible to all, so please thumbs up if audible to all. Thank you so much. So guys, yeah, first of all, thank you. So first of all, let me introduce myself. So I am a Deepak Chawla as a data scientist with 5 years of experience in data science. Apart from that, yeah, I have just built the like data science products and machine learning architecture, system design, and yeah, lot of things others related to the data science. Okay, so this is all about. So before we start the, I just saw the your poll results. Like like 70%, 75% are the non-technical attendees are there. Okay, so I wanna just start the basic one. Okay, so just give you the basic idea of the data science and like why we are doing data science and all these things. Okay, so let's just think in this like kind of like when we are just doing the simple coding. Okay, so in that scenario, what actually happening, we have to just tell the computer like do this task, do that task, and according to that we code in different programming languages and different frameworks. So according to that our program will run and computer will behave something whatever we just given in the program. Okay, but if we talk about the machine learning, so what actually happen in machine learning, we just give the some data. Okay, so with the basis of that data, the machine learning learns the things, and with the help of that learning, it's just make the decisions. Taking the live example of us, like we are just taking the data or the suggestions, okay, and like advice from our elders, and basis of that advice and like suggestions, we are making some learning, some like kind of the like knowledge in our brain. So with the basis of that one, on the basis of that knowledge and advices that has given by the others, we make the some prediction like predictions on the particular problem. Like you are going somewhere in the market and you know like what I have to do, but where you want to get that knowledge, you already get that knowledge from the some previous experience or previous data from that you got from the others. So this kind of thing is happening in our mind already. So this is the self learning. We are getting the data. Data is what? Data is information. Okay, so this is all about. So this is the thing, like we are getting the data, and with the help of that data we are learning, and with the learning we are making the predictions on the new data. So what's the new data? New condition. You got the like 10 condition, and yeah, like take an example again of your parents. Your parents just taught you do this one thing, do that one thing. Okay, on the basis of that one you have to do that thing. So you have just a suggestion from your parents, and if you get the new kind of the situation in your life, then you remember, yeah, this thing has been told by my parents, like you have to do this kind of thing when this situation will happen. Then according to that, this situation is similar of the previous situation that has been just suggested by my parents. Now I have to do this one. So this is kind of the machine learning. So this is the learning, like machine is already like we are already doing it. So we have to just give the capability. Okay, we have to just give the capability to the machine to learn all these things. So this is the basic of the machine learning. Okay guys, I think like can you please give me some response? Is it like you guys understand or not? So it's helpful for me. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is a basic one. Okay, this is basic one. After that one, machine learning is everywhere, everywhere. Google search, machine learning is there. YouTube, machine learning is there. Okay, now you will just ask me or just having the mindset in your like some kind of the things will be happen in your mind. Like artificial intelligence is there, machine learning is there. Okay, data science is there, data analytics is there, data engineering is there. So guys, the broad level if you talk about, is artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. Everything that comes under the artificial intelligence. The major one and broad one is artificial intelligence. All things come in the artificial intelligence only. So you just keep one thing in your mind. Artificial intelligence is one of the top. After that, the things will narrow down with kind of the subset of the machine, subset of the artificial intelligence, and machine learning is subset of artificial intelligence, kind of the thing. Now, what is the need of the machine learning for now? This is a major question has been asked. Okay, so for that one, I'm going to share you some like I have some PPT. Let me share it. Give me 1 minute. Uh, Visible? Can you please give me some response? So some new response has been coming. Sheet PPT is visible to all. Okay, thank you. So see, artificial intelligence. Okay, so we will not go for the definition. We already get to know about this one. So yeah, so you can see ability of machine in conducting the intelligent task, program conducting the specific intelligent task. So this is the basic, okay, artificial intelligence definition, input, and we will going to give the output. Okay, this is the kind of okay. So now this is data science. Okay, so data science, what is data science? So it's not about like doing some programming, some like kind of the like algorithm. No, it is the like mixture and the like combination of so many skills. So in that condition, what you have to do, hacking skills. This is not kind of the like cracking or hacking the someone else computer or the account, Facebook or Instagram. No, hacking means you can crack the problems easily. So this is just denoting the hacking skills. Mathematics and statistics knowledge, sustained expertise. Okay, traditional research, you have to know about the how we can do the research on the particular domain. Okay, and data and machine learning, and in that one this just comes into the data science. If you just go for this Venn diagram. Okay, so this is a few quotes from the like big of persons. Okay, so Bill Gates breakthrough in the machine learning will be worth 10 Microsoft. Machine learning is next internet. Machine learning is hot new thing. So this is all going to be the craziest thing in the whole IT world is this machine learning. Okay, so this is the basic one. Now I will now go for this present definitions. We will go with the help of this. See, traditional programming, what we are doing in a traditional programming, data, taking the data. Okay, data is the input. When you write the program, you just giving the some kind of the input. So this is a program that I have written, and on the basis of that one, I am giving the data. So computer does understand that one and output particular response based on your program. Okay, but what is a machine learning? Machine learning is taking the data. Now they are not taking the program, they are taking the output. So output is what? Result. If I do this, what will happen? If I do that thing, then what will happen? So this is a data. So data is just taking the things, what will happen, and what the answer is the output. On the basis of this one, we are just giving the algorithm, we are just producing the program, like what will be the program. So this is all about the machine learning. Take the example of your previous one. What's your example? Like your parents told you or advised you or like taught you 10 different scenarios. On the basis of that scenarios, you can just predict next what going to be happen when you will just get the new or similar program or similar condition in your life. So the data and the results has been given by your parents. Now the similar condition is going to be, so you make the algorithm program in your mind. So with the basis of that one, whenever the new data will come, you will just give the output. So this is the machine learning. Okay guys, I think you got the like difference between the traditional and machine learning programming. Please give me the response. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now why machine learning is now? Okay, see, this is the data that is just growing. You can see like exponential power, the data is growing. See, 2010, 11, now see what is the size of the data. So this is a one reason. Okay. And today's data growth, see, this is a 2015. I am telling the 2022. See, in 1 minute how much the data is just generating at every platform. Like take the example of Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Apple, Netflix, Amazon. All these websites are generating like how much of the data. You see, like Facebook, 41 lakhs likes, or sorry, posts are doing in a minute. So you can imagine like what's the amount of the data is increasing every minute. So that's why this is a one reason. The second reason, computational power of growth. Okay, so see, so this is a 1960 terminal mainframe computing. Okay, then in 1980 personal computing has been come in the picture. Nowadays cloud computing is coming in the picture. We don't require the 16 GB, 32 GB, 100 GB rams of the system in our house, in our office. That should be situated in somewhere else, and we can directly access with the help of the only 4 GB of the RAM of the computer that we have currently in our home. So this is all about like computation power that has been increased. Now you will ask me what's the like make the condition here, like with the help of that thing we can just now use the machine learning. I will tell you. See what actually happened. Machine learning required first thing. Okay, it is some kind of the prerequisites for the machine learning. Lot of the data and the computational power, because machine doing the machine learning is very expensive. So you have to need a lot of data, and to process that data I need a lot of and very high expensive computer that can be do the processing of the that plot of the data. Now this is a two request prerequisite for that particular machine learning algorithm, and that prerequisite has been done nowadays. Now we have the data as well as the computation power. So with the help of this two combination, we can now work on the machine learning. So that's why nowadays we can work on the machine learning. So take one more example. If you have the data, then you can make the insights or create, okay, and get the insights from that data. If you will not, if you don't have any data, then you will not able to make the any insights, and nothing will happen from your data like you want to do. So this is the main reasons are there. Understood guys? Response? Okay, thank you. Okay, so yeah, so this is the basic of the machine learning. Now we will go for the like which programming language is used in the machine learning. Okay, so now there's a two mainly programming language are working in the machine learning field: Python and R. Okay, so why we are not using R as a majorly in the machine learning? Why everyone is using the Python? Okay, so this is the main like what's the reason behind this one? Everyone is just preferring the Python, 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 Python. Not even a single person just telling in my group just he or she is working in the R. Okay, so there is some reason behind that one. First reason, R and the Python. Okay, so Python is the interpreter language. This is not interpreter language. This is the one thing. The second thing, the community of the Python has been done a lot of things, in every sector, If you want to do like basic to basic kind of the machine learning algorithm you want to do, then you can do with the help of the Python, because lot of the programming, lot of the libraries, frameworks, packages has been built on the top of the Python. That didn't happen in the R. So that's why the community has been built so many things. So that's why guys are just working in the Python only, because they need support, because everyone in the world needs support. Without support, no one can able to go after 2 or 3 steps. Everyone need mentor, everyone need guidance, everyone needs support. So that's why Python has a lot of the support, lot of the community are there who are just doing a lot of the things and helping the other developers of the Python to make the things easy and faster. So that's why majorly guys are working and engineers are working on the Python. So this is a basic and main reason. For from my side, I can just say this is the basic reason. Okay, so yeah, we all are just working in that direction. Got it, guys? Response? Thank you. Some guys are sending the train. Okay, no issue. We go for the next topic. Okay, let me unshare it. Now let me share you one more thing with you. Guys, visible? Please response. Whatever your favorite emoji. Thank you. Yeah. So now we go for the basic one, because I told you guys earlier, like there's some known IT background candidates also. So that's why. See, so this is the scope of the IT branch in the future. You can see this is a like 220 by like percentage, like 73% is computing, 16% is engineering, 2% of mathematics. Okay, so this is the like 73% is computing. Computing means computer science or IT. Okay, so in that one, software developer, computer support, database, network, information, web developer, other computing, research, system analytics. There's so many things. But nowadays the things has been changed. Everyone with the basic logics and problem solving, with the problem solving skills, they can do the programming. So this is not the case like if you are not belonging from the like IT or CS branch. But nowadays the things has been changed. We are living in the era of the Google and YouTube, and we are not living like in alienware where the like no resources are there. No, this is not the case. We are living in the era of the Google and YouTube. Everything is available. You have to just ask the proper person, proper with the proper technique and the tool. Now we are going to see what technique we can use to get the result from the particular platform. Okay, before that one, I will tell you one thing. Like Google has a tons of the data. Okay, and you also have the lot of the queries in your mind. So asking the right query is very very important, because if you go for the right query in your Google search engine, then you are going to get the very good kind of the result, because it's kind of the digging the like gold from tons of the papers or garbage. So you have to dig the gold. You have to just search for the gold in the tons of the waste papers, we can say, or the waste material of the like copper and all kind of these things. So you have to looking for the gold or diamond. So now I'm going to tell you how you can do this one. Okay, see, so how to use Google to learn any technology or programming language. So this is the basic steps you have to follow. Like taking the example here, we are just taking the example cloud computing. Okay, so cloud computing wiki. Okay, so this is a one query. Okay, so that will give you the Wikipedia page, and you have to go for that Wikipedia page. Okay, so with the help of that Wikipedia page, you can easily get to know about the his this one. First page, Wikipedia, cloud computing. One second, one second. I think this is not shared with you. Yeah, let me share my whole screen. Now you can see the Google search engine page. Please respond. Okay, thank you. So see, cloud computing wiki. Okay, so we just type it. So with the help of now, why I am preferring the first thing in the Wikipedia, there is one reason behind it. Wikipedia give you the history. Okay, see, value proposition, market, history, what actually happened in the past, what is the reason behind to need of the particular topics comes, or the technology framework, whatever that comes in the market was the reason behind that one. So with the help of the Wikipedia, you can get to know about that all things. So this is all about, see, you are getting a lot of things. So with the help of the basic, you are not going to be deep dry every little thing. You have to just go through and just read about it. Just go through and read about it. Okay, so this is the one thing you have to do. After that, what is cloud computing? You have to do this thing. Just what is cloud computing, and just go for, always remember, you have to go for first four links, only first four links. Just ignore the other links. What is cloud computing? This one link, this one and this one. Just click on that one, read it out, and just whatever comes in your comes in your mind, just learn it, just remember it. Okay, this is cloud computing. After that, click on the image option. So we know, everyone knows in this world, like with the help of the images we can learn much better if we compare the text. So with the help of the cloud computing in the image section, you will get to know the more data. You can make the visualization. Oh, this is the cloud computing. Okay, storage, mobile application, database. So this kind of the things has been comes in your mind. Oh, you can easily remember the images as compared to the text. So that's why you have to learn, and sorry, you have to just click on the image portion, image option also. Okay, now click on the options or video option, sorry. Okay, so this is a video. Again, in that condition, you have to go for the first four links, because first four link is the one of the best links provided by the Google. And in that scenario, you have to ignore the ads. Okay, currently there is no ad is coming. Let's see this now. Cloud computing. Now you, again there is a no ad. AWS. See, this is an ad. So you have to ignore these links. Ignore this one, this one, this one. Now start from this, and you have to go for the this one. Okay, got it. Now uses of the cloud computing. Okay, so let's try this one. I am just typing. I can copy paste it. Uses of the cloud computing. So again, you will get to know first what you will know, what is cloud computing. Now you will get to know what is the use of the particular term that I am going to learn, that I want to be learned, that I have my own interest. So with the help of this basic things, you will get to know, oh, uses of the cloud computing is this. Oh, cloud computing is using everywhere nowadays. So this kind of things come in your mind. Okay, applications, again you have to just replace the users with the application, then cloud computing tutorials and how to use cloud computing, and you can replace whatever the words comes in your mind, like machine learning. Just replace cloud computing with the machine learning and follow this rule. Got it? So this is all about. Now I will tell you one thing. Take an example. You are reading about the Python. Okay, you are reading 100% from Google. Okay, so like taking example 120 minutes, like 50. One second. This is not any useful. Okay, what actually happened? You are going to learn 100%. Okay, yeah, that means 120 minutes. Out of that one, you can gather the data, because the first thing is data. You are taking the data, whatever the available on the Google, whatever the available in the websites, you are taking the data. And to convert the data to the information, you can only convert 60%. Okay, so this is a 60%, and that 60% can convert into the knowledge 40%. Okay, and that 40% convert into the experience 20%. And you can speak about the Python once you will get to know, so it's the 5%. Okay, so that's around 30 seconds out of, if you read a topic that you can give that 2 hours, out of that one you can able to speak 30 seconds to 2 minutes only. So you have to read a lot. You have to read a lot. If you want to speak at most like 10 minutes, then you can make the calculation your own, like how much or how many minutes I have to read on the particular topic. So this is the like mathematics, because what actually happened, data to information. Okay, and then this information is converted to the knowledge. When you are going to be understand it, when you are going to apply it, then it converts to experience. And when you are just sharing your experience, that is convert to the like kind of the mentoring. Okay, so that's why you have to read, and you have to get to know about the things and the libraries functions, all these things a lot about it. Then only you can able to speak at most like 5 to 10%. Got it? Can you please respond? Okay, thank you. So we are going to learn a very good technique, like everyone should to know about that one. Okay, so that technique is 5W1H. Okay, see, I'm going to write here 5W1H. Okay, where we are going to apply what, who, where, when, how, and why. So that basic 6 questions you have to ask with the every little doubt, programming language, concept, okay, technologies comes in the market, comes in your mind, like this is something new comes in the market, then I want to learn about it. So with the help of that one, you can get to everything that you want to do. Got it? Taking the example, 1 second. What is cloud computing? It's automatically coming. Okay, where is cloud computing used? Okay, why cloud computing is important, needed, cold, required, future importance for business? Okay, how cloud computing works, help in business, is used in business. Okay, and why cloud computing important? Okay, and next one is who invented the cloud computing? Google automatically help you to just give you the proper sentence formation which question you are looking for. So with the help of that 5W1H in your life, it doesn't just mean that you can apply with the like technical or the programming or the like kind of the thing. No, you can apply it everywhere. You can apply it everywhere wherever you want to apply it. So with the help of that rule, you will get to know about the basic thing. You will get to know about the basic idea of the every new technology that comes in the market. So you should apply 5W1H. You will get to know about that particular key term that you don't know before 3 or like 5 minutes when you heard it. Okay, so this is the 5W1H. So that's not like, now I will tell you what the Python can do. Okay, Python can do backend development, scientific calculation, machine learning, neural network, operation, maintenance, image processing, web crawling. Python can do anything. Okay, so that's why also the guys are just taking the Python in the consideration when they are going to apply the machine learning or the data science, because they have the lot of the support. You can see like how many things can Python can do. If we compare with the JavaScript, so here's the JavaScript. We can do backend, front end, native application, and hybrid. This is only 4, and with the help of this one, this is only, this has a more than like JavaScript. Okay, so this is all about. If we talk about the PHP, so PHP is like making the websites only. So that's why we are just taking the Python. Got it? Think you guys understand till now? Please tell me if you have like any doubts. Doubts? Anyone want to ask any question? I'm going to teach you Python. Yes. We can't do the mobile development with Python. Thank you. Sir, can you share the? Yeah, sure. I can share you the roadmap of the data science. soon you will get to know what will be happen in the like data science, what the project app development and with the all these things related to the machine learning and data science, what is the difference between this all things. Soon you will get to know in the next classes. Okay, so don't worry about it. And if you like talking about the notes, so yeah, we are working on it, so I will get back to you with the notes. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. So let's now move to the next topic. Okay, let me share my screen once again. Now we will just talk about the GitHub. Okay, so GitHub, what is GitHub? What is Git? Okay, so we are going to talk about the now GitHub. Okay, so see what actually happened before going to the current condition and the current functionality of the GitHub. I'm going to tell you why there is a need of the GitHub. What is the like problem has been occurred in the technical world or the IT field, IT industry. So that's just give us the like kind of like invention of the GitHub. Okay, so first we are going to just tackle this one. After that, we are going to just get to know how's the GitHub is working, what is GitHub, and all these things. Okay, so see what actually happening. Taking an example, I am sitting in India and some of the my team members sitting in the USA. Okay, we both are just working on the same project, and our like company's manager is sitting in the tech Europe side. Okay, so we all are sitting in the different areas. Okay, I am just working on the functionality A. A member of in the USA who is working in the working on the B category. Okay, and my manager who is just working on the category C or the functionality C. Okay, now what actually we have to do, we have to merge or we have to connect every one functionality to each other's like functions that has been going to be built. Okay, so this is a one thing. After that, whatever I am changing, whatever I am building, I have to review my code to the other two members. The other one who is sitting in the USA, that person's also responsibility, like that person also have to just share their code and review, get the review from the others too. The same thing will for the our managers, he also want the feedback on that one. Okay, so this is the second case. Okay, and the third case, we want like kind of the what we can say, a backup kind of the like of the our code. If something will happen with my computer, then whatever the code or the functions I have written, that will be vanish out. So this is the three main problems. So actually what actually happening at that time, I will tell you. They are just sharing their code between the mailing, like okay, I mail my code once I've done with the two other members, they are also mail their code with the other two other two members, and we are checking it. Then we are just sending the feedback on the mail. Then we make the changes. Then we again make the send the mail with the proper changes done in the code. So this kind of things has been happening. Okay, this is a one thing. So this is very hectic process, because if one line I have to change the one line, then I have to send it whole code, whole program, that can be the 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh of lines of the code it can be. So I have to send the whole code, because until unless it will not get whole code, it will not able to test my code, because everything is connected in the program. So that's why. So now one of the intelligent person just suggest, why not we can do one server. Okay, that that's the computer that will host it somewhere in the world, and we all together connect that one, and we will just put our all code, your code, mine code, and other Europe code on that computer, and we can put the data. We can just make sure of the backup, and we can show the kind of what we can say, like putting and just getting the new updates over there. Okay, so that has been happened. Okay, this is the first approach has been done. And the second, like the problems has been occurred, the system down, the system has been going to down one by one. So what actually just invention of GitHub happened from this condition. So what actually GitHub is doing, GitHub is hosting our source code. What is source code? Source code is a set of instructions that we have written in any programming language. So this is the source code that we hosted. Anyone can push it, pull it, commit it. Now you are confused with the push, pull, and commit. I will tell you, it's very simple. Push, whatever I did, I will put on the GitHub. Pull, whatever you did it, you push it. Now I want that changes, I will pull it. So this is a simple term, push, pull. So this one simple one. Push means I'm going to take my code on the GitHub. So this is a push. Okay. And you want my code, I will pull it. So this is a push and pull. Now commit. So before pushing anything, you have to commit. So commit, it means it is committed, like I am going to be commit this code to the GitHub website. Okay. So this is a push, pull, and commit. And GitHub is doing all these things. Okay, now what is Git? Git, Git. So what is Git? Now Git is the kind of the utility package, library, function, whatever, not function, utility kind of thing, like control, like CLI kind of the thing. So with the help of that one, we can do all the GitHub commands and whatever our requirement we can do with the help of the that CLI utility. That's name is the Git. So this is all about the GitHub and Git. GitHub is the source code hosting platform where we are putting our source code, and Git is the utility that we use to make sure like our whole code is available and we can push it, pull it, and commit it. So this is a basic version. This is a basic like kind of like difference it. Okay, got it? Guys, so many emojis are there. Okay, so Git and GitHub complete. Okay, guys. Now we are going to see how's the GitHub like. Wait 1 second. Let me share my screen. And one more thing, guys, if we are putting the folders, okay, if we are putting the like, I want to host, okay, I want to host my code. So in the GitHub, at the GitHub platform, I have to create the repository. So repository is nothing, it is kind of the folder where I'm just putting my other folders or the files. So this is all about the like kind of the repository. Whenever you are going on the GitHub, so you have to go for the create repository, either public or private. Then you will go for kind of putting your source code. That can be the folders, folders of folders, files of folders, folders of files. That can be anything. So you have just kind of the repository, and with that repository you can share to your friends and your teacher, your interviewer, anyone. Okay. See guys, this is a very good example, okay, of GitHub. See, this girl is pushing the code, pulling the code, pushing the code. Again, pushing, pulling, push. See, so this is the basic, like how is it working? Now, if we talk about the push, pull, and commit. So this is pushing. Push means we are just remote and local. So this is your computer and this is your remote. Remote means get up. Okay. So I am commenting, and after that I just push the code from local to remote. So this is the push mechanism. Okay. The reverse of the push will be the pull. I'm just pulling the data or the code from remote to local. And you know very well, if you want to push, so you have to first commit it, then only you can push on the remote. So this is all about the push, pull, and commit. Now there is one more terminology in the Git or GitHub, that is the branch. Okay, so branch is all about, okay, branch is all about, you are just doing a project. Okay, you put the project on the particular branch. Okay, take an example of the like branch of the tree. Okay, you have the like a tree that have the multiple branches, that's all, that's every tree have. So you put particular like you put the particular thing on the particular branch. Okay, now you don't want everything from that particular folder on that particular branch available. Okay, you want particular thing only. So what you can do, you can just create another branch. With the help of that branch, what you can do, you can just pull out the all code that has been available on the another branch, pull it that code on your new branch, and you can start working on your new branch. If on that branch everything is working fine, then what you can do, you can just take the new branch code and merge it with to the previous one. And that kind of things can be happen in the like big projects or the products. So this is the kind of the full, so this is the kind of the like again like branching system. So we have the multiple branch, like a single branch can have the multiple other branch also. So this is a branching kind of the system. Okay, so this is the basic terminologies of the Git and GitHub, where we see the like push, commit, push, pull, commit, and branch, repository, either public or private. Okay, so this is all about. Now we go for the next topic. Guys, give me 1 minute. Yeah, guys, audible or visible? Please response. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this is the basic like Google and machine learning, GitHub, and all these things. Now we are going to see the Python in our next class. So what is the Python? What we are going to and what the data types we are going to use in the Python? Everything we are going to do in the next class. So before leaving the class, I wanna share the some things and some links with you guys. So please stay with me. So guys, this is a Discord link. Okay, can just use that one to solve your doubts. Okay, all the things related your every question like recording, assignment, okay, and mail and next section, next session, whatever your like doubts and queries will be going to be available on that Discord. You can just go over there and just ask whatever you want to ask. Okay, so this is a one thing. So if you have some questions, so please tell me. I am here to tell you. Quick question, quick rapid fire. So waiting for the questions. Aditya Pandey, I think you wanna ask something. You raise the question. Can you please ask the question? Vesh, you also raise the question. Please ask your question. Mayur, Ritik, Saurabh, Harsh, you guys raise the question. Please ask your question. Please, 1 second. Yeah, so let me NLP and image processing. In this session, we are going to see the little bit about the NLP, not about the image processing. Will someday ML to be used to code, not the humans? Yeah, soon you will get the roadmap of the data science. Yes, you can do the web development with Python. So we are going in the roadmap, you will going to take the all topics that we are going to cover in the future. Major project also you will got take on the roadmap on the future. Yes, you will get the certificate. Yes, you will get the hands-on knowledge. It will help you in the job. Next, from the next class, you are going to get the resources from the practice also. Group, yeah, I shared the Discord link. Yeah, sure. We are going to see the DSA also. The housing protection kind of Titanic protection of the projects will be. Yes, this is a useful in your resume. Yeah, and yeah, please let me share your Discord link once again. So this is a Discord link. Now you can just take you the all the questions on the Discord link. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. We'll see in the next class. Bye. Please respond if you happy with the class. Thank you so much. It really motivates me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Take care.